Kwi makiri ma uri biacara aria maheanite motungata mao ma wendia wa indo itiganite kuri honge cia thirikari ukoretwo ari muhinga munene uria umakuithitie moritu kiondorita kumana na kwagwo kurihwo mabilioni ma mbeca ni thirikari kwa ihinda iraya.
The National Treasury has proposed a balanced and sustainable settlement strategy, which includes a combination of direct budget allocations and securitization.
Akiaria hindi ya guthoma bajeti ya mahuthiro ma thirikari ya mwaka wa 2026-2027, Minista wa KIGINA MBADI ni augite thirikari ni kuriha ciringi bilioni 155.3 cia mathiri maria thirikari ikirite mukonde ma aheani a motungata matiganite thirikari-ini kwa ihinda ria miaka iri yukite ya KIGINA.
The proposal is to settle the verified outstanding balance of 155.3 billion over 2 years, starting with the financial year 2026-2027. 235.6 billion have been recommended for settlements. Of this amount, Kenya shillings 80.3 billion has already been settled through securitization in the road sector.
Rianirira riri riukite thutha wa mihango ya guthurima mathiri ma thirikari kumurikwo ni kamite iria yombitwo ya guthurima mathiri maya mwaka-ini wa 2023.
The pending bills verification committee was established in November 2023 to review and validate outstanding claims and provide a credible basis for settlement. The committee has since concluded its work.
Kuringana na MBADI, ripoti ya kamiti no yugite kuri na mathiri ma uri biacara 91,811 maria ni ma muigana wa ciringi bilioni 637.
Following this verification exercise, 29,885 claims amounting to 235.6 billion have been recommended for settlements.
Kurumirira gutirihwo kwa mutaratara wa guthurima mathiri maya, thirikari ni hotete kuriha makiria ma ciringi bilioni 83 guku thirikari igitigwo na thiri wa ciringi bilioni 155.3 iria ithurimitwo na kuhitukio ni kamiti iyo.
The government will have settled 99% of the verified outstanding pending bills, representing 63% of the total value.
Kuitukira mubango wa kuriha mathiri maya na matina, thirikari itanite gucokereria mwihoko kuri kihiri kia ahuri biacara aria makoretwo makimenderia indo itiganite kuri honge cia thirikari.
This is to ensure that the micro, small and medium enterprises are not starved of the essential working capital, which is critical to the sustainability of their businesses.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.